been a while, it's been a long time, but we're still here, we still keep going, still keep it strong, even though you know the world is going crazy right now, but we're still going. But today we're gonna have a simple, as you know I do it simple, but yet powerful. We're gonna have immune system booster soup, you know. It's simple immune system, as you know, right now with this crazy stuff is happening, you gotta keep your immune system up, you know, keep it up there so this thing can't touch you. So this is what we're gonna have today. So like I said, we're gonna be making immune system simple little soup today. So our main ingredients, we have some Portobello mushroom, we have some butternut squash, some oregano, some parsley. You know me, I love my dumplings, so I gotta put some dumpling in my soup. So we have some spelt flour, onion powder, we have some sweet potato, we have some chayote, or Jamaicans they call it, or in the Caribbean they call it chocho. We have some gram masala, some turmeric, some onions, spring onion. You know, we can't do nothing without the cayenne pepper, sea salt, some basil, we have some thyme, and a very special ingredients in this container here. It's very special. That's our special sea moss there. Sea moss, we gotta have that. You know that is the one that keeps everything going. Got our sea moss in there, and that's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna bubble that up now. There we go, that's bubbling away there. See, it looks really dark. It's that Portobello mushroom, make it get that dark color. It's nice and thick. So I blended up the Portobello mushroom. It's really and truly the main ingredients. It's basically a mushroom soup, really. You just have other bits to it. As you know, the mushroom has got a whole heap of, packed with a whole heap of vitamins in there, vitamin D and whatnot, you know. But this will all, so nice and thick.